Hey everyone, welcome back to our science adventure. Last time we explored the tiny world of fungi. Today we're going to meet some incredible animals, but with a special twist. Get ready to discover invertebrates. So, what's an invertebrate? It's simple. Invertebrates are animals that do not have a backbone. That's right, no spine like us humans, or like birds, fish, or cats. They have different ways of supporting their bodies. You actually see invertebrates all the time. Let's meet some common examples. First, we have insects. Think about ants marching in a line, beautiful butterflies fluttering by, or hard-shelled beetles. Most insects have 6 legs. Then there are spiders, ticks, and mites. These are called arachnids, and a key way to spot them is that they have 8 legs. Look down and you might see millipedes and centipedes. They have many legs. And how about snails and slugs? These are mollusks, known for their soft bodies, and snails usually carry a protective shell on their back. Don't forget worms, like the wiggly earthworms you find after it rains. And if you've ever been to the ocean, you've seen amazing sea invertebrates, like clever octopuses, star-shaped starfish, and scuttling crabs. So, what do these diverse animals have in common? Remember, the main thing is no backbone. Many invertebrates also have a hard outer covering called an exoskeleton, like a suit of armor, instead of bones inside. And often their bodies are segmented, meaning they're made up of different sections. Invertebrates might seem small, but they play huge roles in our world. Let's look at why they're so important. First, food. Many invertebrates are a key part of the food chain. Fish eat worms, birds eat insects. They provide food for lots of other animals. And guess what? Humans eat some invertebrates too, like delicious crabs and octopus. Next, pollination. This is super important for plants. Insects like bees and butterflies are like tiny messengers. As they visit flowers to collect nectar, they carry pollen from one flower to another, helping plants make new seeds and fruits. Without them, we wouldn't have many of our favorite foods. Earthworms are incredible for soil aeration. As they burrow and tunnel through the ground, they create little pathways. These pathways allow air and water to reach plant roots, making the soil healthy and helping plants grow strong. They're nature's tiny farmers. Now, not all invertebrates are always helpful. Some can be pests. Think about locusts that can destroy entire crops, or termites that can damage wooden homes. And unfortunately, some can even be involved in the transmission of diseases. For example, mosquitoes can transmit malaria, and ticks can transmit Lyme disease. This is why it's important to be aware of them. So, a big precaution. Always be careful when handling invertebrates. Some can bite, sting, or, as we just learned, even transmit diseases. It's best to observe them without touching, especially if you're not sure what they are. Wow, what a journey through the world of invertebrates. Let's quickly remember the key points. Invertebrates are animals without a backbone. They include insects, spiders, millipedes, snails, worms, and many sea creatures. They often have exoskeletons and segmented bodies. They are crucial for food for other animals and sometimes humans, pollination of plants, soil aeration by earthworms. But be aware, some can be pests or transmit diseases. Always be careful when around them. Invertebrates might be small, but they are mighty. They play countless vital roles in our ecosystems. I hope you enjoyed learning about these incredible creatures. See you next time, science adventurers.